You tell us, about your character. Where does it move ahead? What to expect this time?
Actually, action is something I was really looking forward to because when you're showing Kashmir, you don't expect a stereotypical mind would not expect a woman in action.
Yeah.
So seeing that was brilliant. We got trained.
आपके कैरेक्टर की बात करें, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? तनाव really has a following of its own.
Yeah. No, so last season, establishment of character was happening. This season, my character has a track where I have a love story and also the responsibilities towards STG.
We come back to your question. You said कि जब आप यहाँ से जाओगे तो क्या याद
करोगे? जी.
Honestly, I feel for three of us, हम कभी यहाँ से गए नहीं क्योंकि हम कश्मीर से हैं. Which makes Tanav even more special for us because this is a show based in Kashmir and we are from here.
हम मुंबई से आते हैं.
Welcome to Kashmir. Welcome to Srinagar.
Crowded market.
Kathmandu market.
मैं देख रहा था, यहाँ पर इतना chaos है और इतना, पर सबको अपना काम पता है. लोग welcoming है. People are really nice and they are letting you all do however you all want. आप जब यहाँ से जाएंगे, क्या याद करेंगे इसके बारे में?
हम यहाँ से जाएंगे, हम वापस तो आते रहेंगे, ठीक है ना. लेकिन जैसा आपने बोला कि लोग यहाँ पे हमेशा से कश्मीरी में हॉस्पिटैलिटी बहुत ज्यादा रहती है, एंड सो दे हेल्प यू इन डूइंग योर शूट एंड दे आर वेरी वेलकमिंग. तो आसान कर देते हैं हमारा काफी काम. और एज यू सेड राइटली, यूनिट इज वेरी गुड. एवरीबडी नोज देयर जॉब एंड वेरी फ्रेंडली यूनिट. जैसे आप देखें, तनाव तो है नहीं सेट पे हमारा, वो सिर्फ एक्शन और कट के बीच में है. Otherwise, it's a very happy shoot actually.
That's so important. But when I see women in an action show, I feel very happy. The way women do action is really something different from what men will do. You tell us, about your character. Where does it move ahead? What to expect this time?
Actually, action is something I was really looking forward to because when you're showing Kashmir, you don't expect a stereotypical mind would not expect a woman in action. So seeing that was brilliant. We got trained for a very long time in season 1 and in season 2, and by season 2 by a ex-military person, Daniel, who flew in from UK to train us.
Amazing.
So that was, how to handle rifles, combat, etc. तो अभी मैंने already एक action sequence पहलगाम में कर लिया है, and it was very free flowing. मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ.
मजा आया clearly आपको.
बहुत मजा आया because it was very free flowing. I wasn't nervous. I didn't ask to be choreographed. Thanks to the trainer and applause actually gave us. It felt really good, and it's not like they're trying to portray that violence is necessary. So I would never say that. But just being a powerful woman and just having to defend yourself in the right situations was, and for my character, apart from her being on field, there's a lot of romantic interest that suddenly comes up as well. And something happens to a partner, a new partner comes into the picture. So there's a lot of tanav in her love life also.
That's interesting. Okay, मैंने एक सीन देखी, आप रस्सी से हमें सीन दिखाएंगे. आप ऊपर से आ रहे थे, बताइए क्या शूट किया और आप सीढ़ी से क्यों नहीं आ रहे?
सीढ़ियाँ यहाँ की बहुत तंग है.
अच्छा, बैकडोर ले लेता हूँ.
So it is not just a part of a sequence. You will see the whole sequence when it comes out. तो थोड़ा है chaos, तो कभी-कभी अच्छा पीछे से ही निकल जाए.
कितनी प्लानिंग लगती है ऐसे सीन शूट करने के लिए?
काफी प्लानिंग लगती है. It's a lot of work for the action team, for the direction team, for the production team to set up all.
जी. Yeah. I can look forward to it.
But it's fun. It's fun to be a part of such sequence. Let me come back to your question. You said कि जब आप यहाँ से जाओगे तो क्या याद करोगे?
जी.
Honestly, I feel for three of us, हम कभी यहाँ से गए नहीं क्योंकि हम कश्मीर से हैं. Which makes Tanav even more special for us because this is a show based in Kashmir and we are from here.
Right.
तो बस काम के लिए बाहर गए हैं. In fact, for our character also, I feel for my character, I just come to Kashmir.
Right.
The valley just takes you in.
बहुत यार, that's so
just
true.
takes you in, and
Beautiful.
you're just here standing and there's so much going on.
Thanks to you guys. Thanks to you guys. And जो आप बोल रहे हैं बिल्कुल सही है और आपके वजह से हमें भी आके देखने मिल रहा है. Thank you so much for that. आपके कैरेक्टर की बात करें, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? तनाव really has a following of its own.
Yeah. No, so last season, establishment of character was happening. This season, my character has a track where I have a love story and also the responsibilities towards STG. तो अभी हम responsibilities ही shoot कर रहे हैं. बॉम्बे में शायद love story shoot करेंगे. So this time अभी सबके characters flourish हो रहे हैं. जैसे साहिबा का character है, वो अब field पे आ गया है. He's as usual saving our
Keeping an eye on us.
keeping an eye on us and saving us as usual. जो इसने season 1 में भी किया था. And बहुत भर के आया from last time. Because the camaraderie really shows on screen. So I think that is what people see.
यहाँ पर इतना कुछ होता है जब हम सेट पे आते हैं तो समझ में आता है एक छोटे से सीन में what all goes into it. जब लोग देख रहे हैं this scene में just when I go back and watch even this scene, this will pass off like that.
It will be a few seconds when you come back
So
from
many
it.
people, the kind of work that happens on the set.
Actually, if somebody is not from the industry, doesn't come from the creative field, you think it's always this glamour and a happy life, but you don't know the amount of hard work, mehnat, logistics, money, planning, strategy, and the amount of, it takes an army. It genuinely takes an army. You can see that we're in a very busy market. Handling hundreds of people does not come easy. We're not on our own location. This is not our Zameen. A lot of sweat, blood and tears literally have gone. So it just really feels like 1 minute, when people are talking or just thinking about what actually happened while we were doing it. और हम भी देखते हैं, we were like, shit guys, this is what we did.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for entertaining us and all the very best. You all know what is happening. We look forward to watching you on the screen. Thank you.
Thank you so much.